Watch this. That's 5 lines gone, and I'm going to teach you how to go about it. 3 shortcuts, that's what you are going to learn in this tutorial class. If you've been coding 1 line at a time, that is the slow way. And in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to code fast using just 3 keyboard shortcuts. So I'm currently on Kali Linux running Sublime Text 4, but every shortcut here works the same on both your Windows and your Mac. So the first one now is what we call Ctrl plus Click. Let me say, for instance, now I want my cursor to be in several places so that I can quickly write my code. I'll click on this, then I'll hold my Ctrl, and I'll click on as many places as I want to write my edits. Let me say I want to write edits in these places, then look at me type. So by typing all places where my